Welcome to Gaswerks Garage. What I have here in front of me today is a 73 911 finished in olive green. One of the things we've done to this car is lower the suspension, and we installed steel 6-inch wheels. In addition to that, this car is also equipped with H4 headlights, and also it has a 911S front spoiler. Hi, this car also has all the original door panels and door pockets, which is really nice to see. Quite often, the original door panels are no longer existing. Guys have replaced them with a more modern door panel. It's nice to see that they're all intact and function correctly. This car also has the original silver dot gauges, which are original to the car, and it's also been fitted with the prototypo steering wheel. One of the things we did here at Gaswerks is, besides lowering the suspension and installing the steel wheels, we detailed all the hubs. And what I mean by that is, we didn't just fit wheels on the car, we installed titanium lug nuts, and we also detailed the wheel bearing cap and the hub to give it a real clean look. This car is also fitted with a set of sport seats, which are actually really nice and comfortable. The car originally came with a 2.4 liter engine. The engine has been upgraded to a 3 liter SC engine, which gives this car plenty of low-end torque and great performance. This car also has a sport muffler and has these really neat exhaust tips. In addition to that, it really sounds amazing.